Why do I have to clean my room again?
Because it's important to keep things tidy, sweetie.
Why can't I have ice cream before dinner?
Ice cream is a treat for after dinner, love.
Why do I have to share my toys?
Sharing helps everyone have fun and play together.
Why can't I stay up late?
You need your rest to grow and stay healthy, darling.
Why do I have to do my homework?
Homework helps you learn, sweetie.
Why can't I play outside when it's raining?
Rain can be dangerous, but we can play inside instead.
Why do I have to eat vegetables?
Vegetables are good for you and help you grow strong, love.
Why can't I skip brushing my teeth?
Brushing your teeth keeps them healthy and clean.
Why do I have to go to bed on time?
Bedtime helps you get enough sleep for the next day.
Why can't I have more candy?
Too much candy isn't good for you, sweetie.
Why do I have to help set the table?
Helping set the table makes dinner special for everyone.
Why can't I skip school?
School is important for your learning and friends.
Why do I have to be nice to my siblings?
Being nice helps everyone get along better.
Why can't I play video games all day?
You need to take breaks and enjoy other activities too.
Why do I have to wash my hands before eating?
Washing your hands keeps germs away, love.
Why can't I watch TV before doing my homework?
Homework is important to do first so you can relax later.
Why do I have to wear sunscreen?
Sunscreen protects your skin from getting burned.
Why can't I eat snacks before dinner?
Dinner is important for our health, love.
Why do I have to wait my turn?
Taking turns is fair and lets everyone play together.
Why can't I go outside without a jacket?
Wearing a jacket keeps you warm, sweetheart.
Why do I have to listen to you when you tell me to do something?
Listening shows respect and helps you learn.
Why can't I take my toys to school?
Toys can get lost or broken if you take them outside.
Why do I have to be polite to strangers?
Being polite makes people feel good and respected.
Why can't I have dessert if I didn't eat my vegetables?
You can earn dessert by eating your veggies first.
Why do I have to apologize when I hurt someone's feelings?
Apologizing helps heal feelings and shows you care.
Why can't I have soda every day?
Too much soda isn't healthy, but we can have it sometimes.
Why do I have to put my toys away?
Putting your toys away keeps our home nice and safe.
Why can't I skip my chores?
Chores help us all keep the house clean, darling.
Why do I have to go to bed when I'm not tired?
Sometimes you need to rest even if you're not tired.
Why can't I open my birthday presents early?
It's fun to have a special moment on your birthday.
Why do I have to brush my hair?
Brushing your hair keeps it neat and tidy.
Why can't I stay home from school just because I don't feel like going?
You'll miss out on fun learning and friends if you don't go.
Why do I have to eat breakfast?
Breakfast gives you energy for the day ahead.
Why can't I have ice cream for breakfast?
Ice cream is a special treat, love.
Why do I have to be nice to my friends?
Being nice helps everyone feel included and happy.
Why can't I wear my favorite clothes every day?
We need to wash your favorite clothes regularly, sweetheart.
Why can't I have a pet?
Pets require a lot of responsibility, but we can think about it.
Why do I have to go to bed at the same time every night?
A regular bedtime helps you get the sleep you need.
Why can't I go to a friend's house without asking you first?
It's important to know where you are going, sweetheart.
Why do I have to eat my dinner before dessert?
Dinner time is a chance for us to talk and enjoy each other's company.
Why can't I skip bath time?
Bath time keeps you clean and healthy, love.
Why do I have to say thank you when someone gives me something?
It's polite and shows appreciation when someone helps you.
Why can't I have my own phone yet?
You'll have your own phone when you're a little older, sweetheart.
Why do I have to follow the rules at school?
Rules help everyone learn and feel safe at school.
Why can't I watch scary movies?
Scary movies can be too intense for kids, love.
Why do I have to wear a helmet when riding my bike?
Helmets protect your head from getting hurt while riding.
Why can't I eat candy whenever I want?
Too much candy isn't good for your teeth, darling.
Why do I have to pack my school bag at night?
Packing your bag at night helps you be ready in the morning.
Why can't I leave the house without telling you where I'm going?
Always telling us where you're going keeps you safe, sweetie.
Why do I have to be quiet when others are talking?
It's important to listen when others are talking.
Why can't I wear pajamas to school?
Pajamas are for bedtime, love.
Why do I have to say sorry when I've done something wrong?
Saying sorry is important when you hurt someone's feelings.
Why can't I take more than one cookie?
One cookie is a good amount, love. We can save some for later.
Why do I have to go to bed when my friends are still awake?
It's important to have a set bedtime, sweetheart.
Why can't I run in the house?
Running in the house can be dangerous, love.